Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn that what is computer programming and how to write computer program and which programming languages are available. So first of all, we are writing in here about what computer programming. What is programming? We can write programming is the process of designing and development of programs and applications. And today's world, we use computer system for different purposes, and we are using different applications for different purposes. You are seeing, you can see that we are using Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word for documentation. Microsoft Word for what we are using for documentation. So Microsoft Word is an application. There's a software, or we can say Adobe Photoshop. Photoshop is a software and it's an application. We can see PUBG. PUBG mobile game or computer game. That's a gaming application. That's a gaming application. We are using, and there are many more applications exist in computer and technology system. Uh, these we are using all these applications for different purposes. Uh, just we are using, and there are someone who developed and designed these softwares and these applications. If we want to build our own application in our own software, for example, if you want to create a financial software for solving the financial purpose problems, how can we build a computer game, a video game, an computer application, a system application? If we want to build our own programs and softwares, we should learn computer programming. So, what is programming? Programming is the process of designing and development of programs and application. Which skill we need? Which skill? What should uh, we do to? What should we do to design and develop a software? What should we do? First of all, we should learn the computer languages. We should learn the computer languages if we want to become a programmer. So we should learn the computer languages. What is the computer language? What we are writing codes. We are writing codes for designing and developing a software. And these codes are written in which language? That's not in English language, in Arabic language, or in some other languages. The codes we write in computer languages. So we should learn computer languages further. Computer languages or computer codes are the instruction which we are giving to computer to perform in different tasks. There are three types of programming languages, three levels of computer programming language. First one is binary language, or we can say machine language. Machine language, or we can say it the low level language. Low level language. What is the binary language or machine language or low level language? Binary language, machine language, and low level language. Um, Binary language is the machine language which is directly understandable to by computer. Binary language is the language which is directly understandable for computer or by computer. And we are using just only the two characters, 0 1, 0 and 1, 0 and 1. So in binary language, we have to write anything in just in 0 1 format. That's directly understandable for computer, but it is difficult for programmers, for humans to learn. So at the earlier times, computer programmers were doing programming using binary language, but it was really difficult. It is really difficult for humans to learn all these codes to give instruction to computers by in the 0 1 format. So we have the second level of computer language that's called assembly language. Assembly language. Assembly language. What's assembly language? Assembly language. Uh, it is. Uh, we can say it is a type of computer language where we use special symbols for uh, coding, and it is not directly understandable by computer, which is not directly understandable by computer. Assembly language, instead of 0 1 characters, we can use different symbols for different purposes, for performing different tasks. So assembly language is if we write code in a computer in binary language, there is no need for translating, for compiling. Computer directly understand it what we have written in binary. But in assembly language, we are using special symbols which are not understandable directly to the computer. Because of that, computer only knows the binary language. So if you write codes in assembly language, how does computer read? There is a software by the name of assembler. Assembler is a software which translate assembly language into machine language. If we write codes in assembly language, we should have a software in our computer what's called assembler. So assembler converts all the codes into machine language, then computer perform a task according to our given instruction. So we are using assembler, and assembly language is a little bit easy for humans because we can use different symbols. And the third type of language, the third level of language, which is called high level language. High level language. High level language is the language which is not directly directly understandable by computer, but it is easy for human to learn because it is similar to English language, and we use English words in high level language. In high level language. Now, in today's world, programmers use high-level language for computer programming. Why? Because it is similar to humans' language, and it's easy to learn, and it is easy to program. Uh, and here, for example, we are writing system dot out dot println. It's mean print a line for us. Hello world. This code is of Java code, and we have write it in a high level language. Java is high level. It is easy for humans to learn, and instead of 0 1. So in today's world, we are using high level languages for computer programming. These languages are like C, C++, C Sharp, Java, Python, and so on. We have more languages for programming to do programs. Which languages we are using? We are using the high level languages for programming. Why? Because of that, it is easy. It is easy to learn. And the codes we are writing in high level language, we told that are not directly understandable by the computer system, by the processor. So, what is doing? We need a software which is called compiler and interpreter. Compiler. What is compiler? Compiler is a software which translate high level language into machine language. Compiler is a software which translates high-level language into machine language. The when we write the codes in high-level language, then we should have compiler in our computer system to translate all these codes into machine language. Then machine performing task according to our given instruction. So we should have installed compiler. Now, if we want to program some software, some applications, or anything else for programming, we should learn computer programming. So we are studying Java. What is Java? Java is a high level programming language uh, which is used to create what? Desktop applications. If we want, if we learn the Java, then we will be able to create desktop applications. Desktop applications are those applications which we are using in computer system without using internet. For example, we can see, as I told before, Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is a desktop application. Microsoft Excel, Adobe Photoshop, Calculator, MS Paint, WordPad, Notepad, uh, computer games, and all these applications which we are using in our computer system, it's called desktop application. Using Java, we can create a desktop application. If we want to create our own application, our own games, and our own software, we have to learn Java. So Java is good for computer programming. We can use Java programming for creating desktop application. Number two, mobile application. Using Java, we can create mobile applications. If we want to create an application for mobile, we can create it using Java. So also we can create games. We can create and build games, computer games and mobile games in Java by using Java. By using of Java, we can create web applications. We can create web applications. If we want to build web-based applications, we can use Java for it. So another, we can for linking the databases. Linking the database. If you want to link a database to a computer program, then we can use Java for it, and many more. So Java, what is the benefits of Java? Using Java, we can create desktop applications, mobile applications, games, web applications, and also linking the database and many more. So Java is one of the popular language in computer programming uh, languages uh, in computer programming. Java, one thing that Java is easy to learn. Java is easy to learn. If we want to learn Java, that will be very easy, like eating a piece of cake. So I will show you and I will learn you that how to write programs in Java, inshallah, in the next video. And the other thing, Java is cross-platform. Java is cross-platform. Java is cross-platform. It's meaning using Java, we can create applications for computer Microsoft for Windows. We can create Windows applications. The application which we are running in Windows, they are different from the application we are using in Android. For in Windows also, we can create applications. For Android, we can create applications, and also for iOS, we can create applications. For Linux, we can create a computer application using Java. So Java is really the useful language which we can achieve more with Java. If you want to learn computer programming, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Then daily, inshallah, I will upload uh, a video on computer programming and different subjects of computer. You can see much more in my computer channel about computers. So you can watch about network videos on networking, on computer basics, on computer programming. I will provide more videos. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. To learn about computer programming. And inshallah, I promise you, if you follow my videos, just in a few months, inshallah, you will be a good computer programming programmer and you will create your own applications and computer software. Thanks for watching. At the next video, we will learn more about Java and working practically in Java. Thank you for watching. Have a good time.